how to use Cash App on your phone. If you're new to Cash App and want to learn how to use it on your phone, it is very simple. You just want to watch this friendly tutorial. This is assuming you have already went ahead and then created your Cash App account. Now when you launch the Cash App, by default you'll be on this middle dollar tab. Here you can simply enter a certain amount. If you want to send money to someone, tap on the pay icon from the bottom right, enter the recipient's cash tag, phone, name or email, and you can send the money to them. Similarly, if you want to borrow money or request money from someone, you can just tap the request option there, and once you tap on request, you'll also be able to request your money from those people. Now what you also want to do is, if you're on the home tab, you'll be able to find your cash balance, add money, withdraw money, and so on. You can find your paychecks, you can explore other options like stocks, you can even invest in Bitcoin. If you tap on this little search icon here, you'll be able to discover all of the gift cards and so on. Similarly, here you can find the card icon. When you tap on the card icon, here you can simply meet the Cash App card. You can get your free card. At the bottom right, which is the clock icon, this is the activity icon. Now what you want to do from here is, you want to tap on the profile icon from the top right. Here you can see your cash tag. Here you can see the QR code which you can choose to receive payment from someone. You can edit some of your profile details like your basic info. You scroll, you can edit your personal information. You can add a linked bank account. You can customize some of your security lock and transaction pin. You can do so and add favorites. You can add a family. You can check your Cash App limit and increase them accordingly. You can find your notifications, themes and documents, anything that you've any type of document that you want, you'll find them right here as well. So this way you should be able to use Cash App on your phone. I hope the video helps you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.